Here we'll write a program to explain different option with search function in Regex. For this, first we'll import RE, which is a regular expression model, and we'll define one text, Python programming by program snippet. Then we'll set result equal to re.search. With raw text, we are going to search program in text and we'll print result, and we execute. It will display the match object span as 22, 29, that is starting index of the character P and ending index of the character M, and the text is program. Now we'll display this result with different match object methods. So we'll set if result, we will print. First we'll check the group method. So match found, and we'll print result.group. Then we'll print starting index and we'll print result.start. Then we'll print ending index. Here we'll print result.end, and then we'll print span. So print span of string, and we'll print result.span. Else we will print no match found, and we execute. It will print match found as program, starting index as 22, ending index as 29, and span of string as 22 and 29. That is, the string start at 22nd character and end at 29th character. Then we see extracting numbers. So we'll define one text. I have 4 pencils and 2 pens. And we'll set result equal to re.search, R, that is raw text, and here we'll give /d plus, that is we are going to find the digit, so we'll give /d, comma text, and I'll print the result. It will display the result with re.match object. I will give here group and I'll execute. It will print 4, that is it will give starting digit from the text. Then we'll check extract words. So I'll give the text program snippet, and I'll give result equal to re.search with raw text, and here I'll give /w since we are going to extract word, and in text, and we'll print result with result.group. I will execute. It will display program, that is it will extract starting word from the text and display it. Then we'll check extract email address. I'll give the text as send your resume at hr@gmail.com or support@redipmail.com, and I'll give result equal to re.search. I will give here raw text, and I'll give the group as /w dot dash plus @ that is we are going to combine with @ and again another group with /w dot dash plus for text, and we'll print result dot group, and we execute. It will print first email address from the text as hr.gmail.com. Then we see extract phone number. I will define the text as for any query call. I'll give the number format, and I'll set result equal to re.search. I'll give r, that is raw text, and I'll give the format /d of size 3, then dash, again /d of size 3, dash /d of size 4, and in text, and I'll print result dot group, and I'll execute. It will search the string for the given format and display the first occurrence. So it will display 111-222-333. Then we see extracting dates. I'll give text equal to admission date between. I'll give the format, and I'll set result equal to re.search. For raw text, I'll give the format /d of size 2 dash /d of size 2 dash /d of size 4, comma text, and I'll print result dot group. I will execute. It will extract the date for the given format in the text and display it. So it will display 10-05-2025. If I change the format here and if I execute, it will generate an error. Since we have given the format different, if I give here slash and if I execute, it will display the date with 10/05/2025. That is, whatever format given in the text, we should use the format in the search method. Then extracting capital word. Here I will give text equal to Python program by program snippet. And I will give result equal to re.search with raw text. Since we are going to extract the word with capital letter, in grouping, first we will give capital A dash capital Z, then small a dash small z, and then we will give star, that is any character, and comma text, and we will print result dot group. And if we execute, it will display first word with capital letter from the string. If I change here small p and if I execute again, it will display program. That is, it will display first occurrence for the given condition as first character should be capital. Then we will see extracting only alphabet. I will define the text equal to, first I will give some numbers, then I will give some characters, again numbers and again characters, and I will give result equal to re.search for raw text. Here we are going to search alphabet, so we will give A to Z in small and again A to Z in capital and plus, and we will print result. So result dot group, and we execute, it will display first alphabets from the text. If I give here alphabet and if I execute, it will display AAE. That is, it will find first alphabets from the string and it will display it. Then extracting groups. So I will give the text equal to physics with 78, comma chemistry 87. And we will give result equal to re.search, r, that is raw string, we will give /w plus separator as colon and /d plus for text, and we will print result dot group. And if we execute, it will display first group as physics colon 78. Then we will print extracting words by ignoring case. I will define the text equal to Python program by program snippet, and I will give result equal to re.search for raw text. I will give the pattern as program, comma text, comma re.ignore case, and will print result. And I will execute, it will display program. Even though I have given here P capital, it will ignore the case and it will display the word program whose P is in small case. If I remove this and if I execute, it will display program with capital P. That is, when we use re.ignore case, it will ignore the case and display first word that match the condition.